This video will demonstrate how to interpret the nightly titration tab and configure nightly titration settings for remedy models 1100-1600. The nightly titration feature, which is located under the acclimation tab and allows the device to provide automatic increases to the program current amplitude minimum and maximum, and is intended to support patients' nightly acclimation to remedy therapy. When the nightly titration feature is enabled, the remedy system will automatically adjust the current amplitude minimum maximum by the specified percentage in 30-minute increments each night based on the patient's position. Absolute nightly titration uses a 24-hour clock, while relative uses time since therapy started for the night and used only for irregular or daytime sleep patterns. This can be adjusted under Lab Parameter Status tab under Titration. The y-axis shows the range of amplitude from minimum to maximum and will automatically adjust based on the specified minimum and maximum outputs for each position. Each index on the top axis, 1 through 24, corresponds to a 30-minute increment on the 24-hour clock on the bottom x-axis. Each index can be set in 5% increments between 50% and 100%. Nightly titration is adjusted by moving the teal bar up or down. The teal color indicates time within the patient's start and stop window, while the gray bars represent time outside that window. In this example, the start time is 2200, which can be confirmed in the Therapy Sensors tab. For this patient, if I want to set nightly titration for 1 hour, 90% for the first half hour and 95% for the second half hour, I would start at 2200 and adjust the corresponding teal bar to 90%. This change will be displayed in blue at the bottom. I would then repeat the same process for the 2230 time slot, setting it to 95% and selecting Program. Keep in mind, if weekly titration is enabled, it will automatically adjust the nightly titration based on the week of weekly titration. For more information on weekly titration, refer to the weekly titration video. This video demonstrated how to set up nightly titration for remedy models 1100 and 1600.